legend.
Hello guys, once again welcome back to your own channel. I hope you are well guys. In this video today I will show you that how you can enable iOS 12. I mean guys, how you can use iPhone X gesture to your iPhone. You can see guys, this is only my iPhone 6 and which is currently running on iOS 14.7, but guys right now I'm using iPhone X gesture in this device. You can see at the bottom side has a waiver stick bar, and also whenever I will swipe down from the top right corner, you can see at the bottom side has iOS 12 control center has available in this device. But guys, actually this is only my iPhone 6 and which is currently running on iOS 14.7. so you can see guys, the model name is iPhone 6s and software version is 14.7. actually guys, I have recently updated my device into the iOS 14.7 as my mostly viewers were asking to me that how they can use this type of features in their devices. So that's why I am making this video. So you can see guys, whenever I will open any application and I need to just swipe up to close this application. So basically guys, this type of customization and this type of features to your iPhone, it will do your work very smooth and handy. You can see guys, I need to just swipe up and after guys it will close look like iOS 12. But guys, actually this is only my iPhone 6. But guys, which method and which process I will show you in this video today. You can apply this method to your any iPhone, like if you have iPhone 5s, 6, 6s, any model device and which is available like iOS home button has available, you can do this easily. And also guys, if you want to enable this type of gesture to your iPhone 5s and iPhone 6, then guys I will give this video link in my description, so go and watch that video that how you can use this type of feature in iPhone 6 and iPhone 5s. But guys, today I will show you that how you can enable this feature to your iPhone. For example, if you have iPhone 6s, 7, any model device, and if you are using iOS 14 and 14.5, 14.6, and also if you are using iOS 14.7, then how you can do this to your device. So I will show you that how you can do this. Make sure you guys firstly subscribe to my channel firstly if you are new here, and guys smash the like button if you will like this video. So let's proceed without any further delay. So for this guys, you need to just jailbreak your iPhone. If you don't know that how you can jailbreak your device, iPhone 5s and also iPhone 6, and if you are using iOS 14.7, 14.6, then guys I will give this video link in my description that how we can jailbreak our device like iOS 14.6, 14.7. I will give this video link in my description, so go and watch that video. And make sure guys, firstly you have to jailbreak your iPhone. When you have guys successfully jailbreak your device, after guys it will automatically install Cydia to your iPhone. You don't need to install Cydia by the other side, it will automatically successfully install when you have successfully jailbreak your device. So guys, I will give this video link in my description, so make sure you guys firstly you have to jailbreak your iPhone. And when you have successfully jailbreak your guys, you can see here is showing like Cydia. This is the interface of Cydia, and guys you have to click on search bar and you have to just click on here. Now guys, you have to type a tweak that's name is little 12. So guys, let me type this tweak. So you can see that this is the tweak that's name is little 12. So guys, you have to just simply click on that, click on modify button, and guys you have to make sure you guys firstly you have to install this. You can see here is showing reinstall because I have already installed this tweak, that's why here is showing reinstall. But guys, in our case it will show here install button. Simply guys, make sure you have to install this, and now after guys you have to just back home, and now guys you have to go to your settings and find this tweak where you have downloaded. You can see guys, this is a tweak which we have downloaded from the Cydia, and you can see here is showing this. So guys, simply you have to make sure you enable this tweak. You can see here is showing disable and enable. Click on enable, and after guys click on respring. Guys, when you have selected this respring button, it will take up to 5 to 10 seconds. You can see after guys it will automatically like enable iPhone X gesture to your device. You can see at the bottom side here is showing like stick bar, and also guys you can see here is showing look like iOS 12. But guys, this is only my iPhone 6 as I have seen you in this video. So this is the way guys you can enable this type of features to your iPhone. I hope guys you would have liked this video. But guys, if you want to enable this tweak to your iPhone 5s, 6 like iOS 12, then guys I will give this also video link in my description, so go and watch that video and use this feature and enjoy this feature. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, share, stay tuned.